Assalamualaikum. So there was a query of a student regarding this question. So let's solve it. This question is basically from the topic graph of linear inequalities, and the question says the region R defined by the following inequalities: y is greater than equal to 2x, x plus pi less than equal to 4x greater than equal to 0, and y greater than equal to 0. These are two extra conditions. Find and label the region R. We have to find the region R, we have to label. It's mean we have to shade the region R as well. Alright, so first of all, we will find the associated equation for each inequality. So this is our first inequality, and it says y is greater than equal to 2x, greater than equal to 2x. So it will tell us that we have to make a solid line. Okay, so associated equation will be y equal to 2x, and since this is y equal to 2x only, so I can write y equal to 2x plus 0. Comparing it with standard form y equal to mx plus c, I get to know, okay, my gradient or slope is 2, and my y-intercept is 0 since nothing is there, so y-intercept is 0. It's mean it will be passing from that region, and the slope is 2. And we know that slope is rise over run. Okay, rise over run. So rise is 2. We can write it 2 by 1. So run is 2 by, the rise is 2, run is 1. So let's plot this first. Y is equal to 0 slope. This is y-intercept. And slope is positive 2, rise is positive 2. So we will reach here. And run is positive 1, so here. And the equation will be, we will join them with a straight line like this. Okay. Next, our second equation, associated equation with the second inequality will be x plus y is equal to 4. And we will adjust it. Y is equal to minus x plus 4. Y equal to minus x plus 4, it's mean as comparing it with standard form y equal to mx plus c. So my gradient or slope from here is minus 1 over 1. Slope is actually rise over run. So our rise will be of minus 1 unit and run will be of positive 1 unit. Okay, and our y-intercept will be positive 4. Okay, y-intercept. So let's plot it on the same graph again. Y-intercept was 4, so positive 4. This is our y-intercept. And slope rise over run, rise is negative 1, so we will jump down over here. And run is positive 1 unit, so it will be over here. So we will be drawing a line passing from, again, it will be a solid line because this is less than or equal to sign. So the line could be like this. I'm not drawing it with scale. X is greater than equal to 0 condition says all the values of x should be greater than or equal to 0. Like our lines should not cross this boundary. There will not be negative plane. And y is greater than equal to 0 mean our lines should not pass this boundary like x-axis boundary. Above it will be y greater than equal to 0. Now we have to find and label the region R, but will be its solution region. For that, we will be taking one test point for each inequality, and we will be checking it whether it is satisfying the condition or not. So let's say the test point for this inequality, the first one, the pink one, that is y is greater than y equal to 2x. And this line, the black one, is x plus y equal to 4. So for this one, let's state only one and we will check it for both. So I have taken the test point, this one, and on x-axis it is 2, on y-axis it is 1, and I will be checking both my inequality for the same test point. So for this inequality, y is greater than equal to 2x. Our value of x is 2, our value of y is 1, so 1 and 2, value of x is 2, so 2 times 4 and 1. What is the condition between 1 and what is the relationship between 1 and 4? 1 is less than 4. Okay, so y greater than equal to 2x. This inequality is not satisfied by this. It is not going to satisfy the inequality for this y equal to 2x by equation. So this portion will not be included in the shading, and shading portion for this line will be this portion, okay, above this line. And since we are provided with a condition that our x should be greater than equal to 0 and y should be greater than equal to 0, so our shading portion should not exceed these limits. Next, let's test the same test point for the second inequality that says x plus y is less than equal to 4. So our x is 2, our y is 1. 2 plus 1 is less than equal to 4. 2 plus 1 will give you 3 is less than equal to 4. Yes, our condition satisfied because 3 is less than or equal to 4. So for this line, this black line, the portion will be, the shaded portion will be the portion that is covering this point, that is having this point. Okay, so let's shade it with a different color. So now this R is our region. R is our specified region that we are supposed to label and find this region R that is bounded by the shading of both these lines, y equal to 2x and x plus y is equal to 4, since these are the inequalities. So this R come from the shading of both these lines. And it also follow the condition x is greater than 0, y greater than 0. So your shaded portion should not exceed this y-axis and this x-axis. And that is our final answer. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching.